London. Neil, thank you very much for your time today. Tell us about your thoughts about what coronavirus within the context of Gaza means. I mean, of course, we always talk about the fact that this is an extremely congested territory. It's been under blockade for many years, so, resources are few to go around.
Yes, as you say, Waqar, this is something which the Association of International Development Agencies, of whom Medical Aid for Palestinians is one of scores of members, sounded the alarm about several days ago. It's something which we and people in Gaza have been frankly terrified would be happening soon, and now it looks like the outbreak is really taking off. This morning we've had it reported that nearly 200 new cases of infection have been recorded. There was the death of a 6-month-old baby. That brings the deaths to 10. Now, Gaza, as you indicate, is so particularly vulnerable here. And those vulnerabilities, let me point out, they're very much man-made. The vulnerabilities of Gaza come from the fact that, of course, 76% of the population of Gaza, that's 2 million people living in that area, are refugees. Those are people who've been blocked from returning to the lands and homes from which they were forced to flee during the Nakba some 70-odd years ago. There are 10 refugee camps where already last week it became known that all had community-based transmission taking part in them. Gaza itself is densely populated. The refugee camps are even more densely populated. And of course, you've got multi-generational households living together. You've got high levels of non-communicable diseases, very high rates of malnutrition. More than 50% of the population is below the poverty line. It's got some of the highest unemployment and underemployment levels in the world. Yeah. Picture yourself as being perhaps like someone with disabilities or someone with other challenges in life. You will almost certainly be unemployed, and you will have very big challenges to stand up to another attack like COVID. The health sector, let's look at that. So already before this current crisis, it had to withstand 3 large-scale military offensives from the Israeli authorities.